Artificial intelligence is moving beyond experimentation. Large language models, or LLMs, are becoming a key building block for modern software applications. Today, businesses are using LLMs to access knowledge, automate workflows, analyze information, and create smarter digital experiences. From AI assistance and document intelligence to code generation and enterprise automation, LLMs are changing how software solutions are designed and delivered. Large language models can understand and generate human-like text by learning patterns from massive amounts of data. They enable applications to understand natural language, search and summarize information, generate content, assist decision-making, automate repetitive tasks. But the real value comes when LLMs are integrated into business processes. One of the most common applications is AI-powered assistants. They help organizations improve customer experiences by providing instant answers, guiding users, and reducing support workload. Examples include customer service assistants, internal employee copilots, knowledge assistants. Businesses generate huge amounts of documents every day. LLMs can help extract insights from contracts, invoices, reports, policies, technical documents. Combined with OCR and document processing pipelines, AI can transform unstructured information into valuable business data. LLMs are also changing software development. They can help developers generate code, explain existing code, find bugs, create documentation, improve productivity. But AI does not replace engineering skills. Developers still need architecture knowledge, security awareness, and strong technical judgment. Organizations have valuable knowledge distributed across documents, databases, and systems. Using retrieval-augmented generation, or RAG, applications can retrieve relevant information and provide accurate AI-generated responses. RAG combines LLMs, vector databases, semantic search, enterprise data sources. This allows businesses to build secure internal knowledge assistants. Building enterprise AI solutions requires more than simply connecting an LLM API. A successful AI application needs strong architecture. Important considerations include white-heavy checkmark secure data access and governance. Who can access what information? White-heavy checkmark RAG architecture. How does AI retrieve accurate business knowledge? White-heavy checkmark vector databases. How do we search information based on meaning, not just keywords? White-heavy checkmark prompt engineering and evaluation. How do we measure AI quality? White-heavy checkmark AI agents and workflow orchestration. How can AI complete multi-step business tasks? White-heavy checkmark enterprise integration. How does AI connect with existing applications? White-heavy checkmark human validation. Where should humans review AI decisions? White-heavy checkmark monitoring and compliance. How do we keep AI systems reliable and secure? The future of enterprise AI is not only about using a powerful model. The real question is, how do we integrate AI securely, responsibly, and at scale? Organizations that combine AI capabilities, strong software architecture, and domain expertise will create the next generation of intelligent applications. LLMs are not replacing software engineers or solution architects. They are amplifying what skilled teams can build. The future belongs to teams that combine artificial intelligence with solid engineering principles.